Chapter 1: The Breakthrough. Everyone said it was impossible. For over 50 years, space agencies claimed Mars was too dangerous, too far, too expensive. But SpaceX CEO Elon Musk had other plans. While the world slept, engineers worked around the clock perfecting the Starship program. Thousands of test flights, billions invested, endless criticism from skeptics. None of it mattered. The mission was classified at the highest levels. Only a select few knew what was about to happen. Then on March 15, 2024, at 3:47 a.m. GMT, something extraordinary occurred. A spacecraft entered Mars's atmosphere. The heat shield glowed white-hot at 6,000 degrees Celsius. Inside the capsule, 6 astronauts held their breath. For centuries, Mars was just a red dot in the night sky. Ancient civilizations worshipped it as a god. Scientists studied it from billions of miles away. But now, for the first time in human history, we were about to set foot on another planet. The landing sequence initiated. Retro rockets fired, dust erupted across the Martian landscape, and then silence. The crew had landed. Chapter 2: The footage they didn't want you to see. The official narrative began immediately. NASA released carefully edited highlights. Astronauts in suits, the flag ceremony, simple geological samples. But that's not the whole story. Independent hackers and whistleblowers within SpaceX obtained the complete, unedited footage. What it revealed shocked everyone. The landing site showed geometric structures partially buried in Martian soil. Not natural rock formations, deliberate constructions. The astronauts' helmet cameras captured perfectly angular shapes, impossible to explain by wind erosion or geological processes. Ground-penetrating radar detected massive cavities beneath the surface. The crew found metallic objects corroded by millions of years of Martian atmosphere. Were these ancient? Were they recent? The uncertainty terrified the space agencies. NASA convened emergency meetings. The footage was classified immediately, but copies had already spread. Scientists around the world examined the evidence. Geologists couldn't explain the structures. Engineers couldn't identify the metallic composition. Archaeologists were baffled. Someone or something had been on Mars before us. The discovery raised impossible questions. How old were these structures? Who built them? Where did they go? Why weren't we told? Chapter 3: The Truth Emerges. As pressure mounted, scientists within SpaceX began leaking additional data. The structures weren't random. They were arranged in precise patterns matching mathematical sequences. The metallic objects contained isotopes never found naturally on Mars. Analysis suggested artificial creation. Carbon dating was impossible. These materials predated known carbon dating methods. But one thing became clear. Mars wasn't always a dead planet. Evidence of water was abundant. Geological layers showed tropical conditions millions of years ago. The atmosphere was thick, breathable, teeming with life. Then something catastrophic happened. A massive impact altered Mars's orbit and atmosphere. The magnetic field collapsed. Solar winds stripped away the oxygen. What was once a thriving world became a barren wasteland. And those structures, they weren't abandoned randomly. They were sealed, preserved, hidden from the harsh climate. The crew found sealed chambers beneath the surface. Inside, artifacts suggest an advanced civilization once called Mars home. Some scientists theorize they might have traveled to Earth. Others suggest Earth's ancient civilizations might have originated on Mars. Chapter 4: What it means for humanity. This discovery reshapes everything. We're not alone. Intelligent civilizations existed beyond Earth. They built incredible structures. They understood engineering, mathematics, architecture, and they're gone. The implications are staggering. If Mars once supported advanced life, Earth isn't unique. The universe likely teems